Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we are going to show you a car gadgets and accessories video, and we will be showing you 3 must-have car gadgets which you should buy for your car right away. And guys, we will be doing more car and motorcycle gadgets and accessories video. And if you have any suggestions, then do let us know in the comment section below. So let's begin our today's video. And guys, all these gadgets were sent to us by NextDigitron, who are the authorized reseller of 70MAI and DD Pi products. And if you like any of them, then do check the buy link in the description below. So starting with the first and my favorite gadget, and it's the 70MAI TPMS, which is a tire pressure monitoring system. I've been using tire pressure monitoring system for the last few years, and believe me, I find it a very useful and a very good investment. And I have installed it in all the vehicles in my house. Now about this product, this is the external sensor system, which is really easy to install and use. In the box we get the user manual, and here is the monitoring unit which will show you the information. This screen shows you the info such as current tire pressure and the temperature. On the top you have the solar panel, and here at the bottom we have the sticky pad to attach it to your dashboard. Apart from that, you get the 4 sensors for the tires marked as front right, front left, rear right and rear left. And here in this pouch we get the securing nuts as well as waterproofing ring, which I will show you in a moment. Apart from that, you get the metal wrench to fasten the nut. These sensor runs on the coin batteries, which you can easily change by using this tool. Apart from the monitoring system, you can see the data on the app as well. And using the 70MAI app, you can see all the details, which is an advantage. Installing the sensors are very easy. Just fasten the nut and then install the sensor. And use the metal wrench to tighten the nut to secure the sensor. And now, no one will be able to remove the sensor from the tire. After installing the sensors, here you can see we now have the details on the monitor. The only downside is, it shows you the pressure in bar instead of PSI, which wasn't a deal breaker for me as it took me just couple of days to get used to it. You can do all the customization and the alert settings in the app, which will let you know when the tire temperature reaches a certain level, and you get a loud beeping sound. And you get the same sound when there is a flat tire or if you're losing the air pressure. Overall, tire pressure monitoring system is a must-have accessory which you should get for your car right now. Usually it's a premium feature in luxury cars, but with this, you can get this in any car, so do check it out. The next gadget we have for your car is also related to tires, and it's a tire compressor, which is basically a tire inflator. This is the 70MAI tire compressor, which is available right now at a very good price of Rs 2499. Now about this product, it's basically a tire inflator, and you can use it with your car, motorcycle or even with the bicycles. The build quality is really good, and in the front we have the LCD panel which shows you the current tire pressure, which you can set in kPa, bar and PSI. You can also set the auto cut pressure level using the up and down arrow, and here we will set it to 33 PSI. Using this tire compressor is really easy. Just plug it in the cigarette lighter socket of your car, and then here at the back we have the nozzle to attach it to the tire. Once it's properly attached to your tire, you will see the current tire pressure level, and all you need to do is hit the start button and it will start inflating the tire. And guys, I find this particular tire compressor from 70MAI very good because it's fast and also makes less sound. So overall, this is a must-have gadget which you should carry with you in your car all the time, especially during your long highway trips. And the final gadget we have for today's video is a vacuum cleaner, and it's the 70MAI cordless portable car vacuum cleaner. Guys, I have purchased a few car vacuum cleaners in the past which were wired, and believe me, I have used them only a few times because of the whole hassle of plugging them in the car, and the bulky size was also an issue. But this cordless vacuum cleaner from 70MAI is wonderful and solves that problem. It's a portable vacuum cleaner which you can use not only in your car but in your home as well. So the design is really good, and I really like the build quality. And in terms of the working, it does the job well. I was able to clean the seats of my car and the mats easily. The suction power of this cordless vacuum cleaner is also very good. This handheld vacuum cleaner comes with a Type-C port, and you get the 4000 mAh battery, which can easily last for up to 25 minutes with the continuous usage. Overall, if you're looking for a portable and a reliable vacuum cleaner for your car, then do check this out. And guys, as mentioned earlier, if you like any of these gadgets, then do check the buy link in the description below. You can purchase these gadgets directly through the Next Digitron website, who are the authorized reseller of the 70 MAI products. You can also check out other 70 MAI and the DDPi products on their website. So guys, that's all for now. Hope you like these must-have car gadgets. And also, if you have any questions or queries about any of these gadgets, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.